How to create a PayPal account without a credit card. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. First step of creating a PayPal account without a credit card is going to paypal.com from the URL bar here or from google.com by searching on PayPal. So then the next step is clicking on sign up here on the upper right or in the middle of the home page here, any of these, and click on this. You now have to choose the type of the account, the personal account or the business account. Most users need a personal account for receiving and sending money, so let's choose the personal account and click on continue. You need now to type your mobile number, and that's to verify your identity before creating an account. So once you type your number, click on next and then get the code that's sent your mobile number and type it here. Once you type it here, the next page loads. Once this page opens for you, which is titled set up your profile, you'll need to enter some information about you, like a verified email, your first name, your last name, and you'll also need to create a new password and also confirm it. Once done with this, click on next and it will open for you in order to add your address information. So in the address information, you need to enter your nationality, your date of birth, the street name and house number, the district, the city, your state, and your postal code. You also need to confirm that you have read, consent, and agree to PayPal user agreement from down below. And once you're done with this, you're just gonna click on agree and create account, and that's it. Now your PayPal account is created. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.